What's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down a Euro USD trade that I literally just got out of. Literally. If you follow me on Instagram, Instagram should be right below, right over here within this area. Nope. Okay, right here. So if you follow me on Instagram at Trillionaire Mac, then you saw this trade posted on my story before, during, and after, right? So I'm going to break down this trade for you guys, explain to you guys why I got in the trade, but overall just kind of give you guys my mindset on day trading. It's very, very easy, very, very straightforward. And those of you that want to be able to produce these types of results, the Day Trading Masterclass is going to be for you. Now, we've already had 88 tickets sell for the Day Trading Masterclass. So the price has now gone up, all right? I'm going to show you guys that in just a second. We're going to get into the intro. But those of you who want to understand how to recover from day trading losses, how to catch day trading trades, how to understand whether or not you should be buy or selling, how to understand where you should take your entries, how to understand where you should look for your exits, pro trend versus counter trend, as well as a step-by-step checklist on what I look for, the Day Trading Masterclass is going to be for you. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into it. If you guys do have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments down below. And if you're not a part of the YouTube family, go ahead and join because we're going to have a lot of day trading content coming very, very soon for all of you guys. All right. So with that being said, let's get into the intro and then let's get into the day trade. So we have 17 days, 13 hours, 31 minutes, and 7 seconds before the Day Trading Masterclass is dropped. All right, super excited about it. I want you guys to make sure that you're on. Okay, the price has gone up to $12.95. All right, and the reason why it's gone up is simply because you guys are about to take advantage of so much information as well as live trading with me for 5 days. Now, the 88 of you all who have already joined, your price is locked in at $5.95, I believe. And those of you who are contemplating on whether or not you should join the Day Trading Masterclass, let me tell you, all right, if you want to become a day trader, if you want a set in stone strategy, if you want a yes, no binary type of trading, mechanical trading where you don't have to think, you just apply my rules, the Day Trading Masterclass is going to be for you. Not only will you gain access to my strategy, you'll be day trading live with me for 5 days following. Okay, New York and London session, as well as you will be given a day trading checklist, my personal day trading checklist, not only with each checklist available, but also an explanation and a teaching about what each confluence consists of, just to give you a refresher even after the Day Trading Masterclass is over, right? So if you want that PDF file, if you want the strategy, if you want to be able to trade live with me, and if you want to become a successful day trader, the Day Trading Masterclass is going to be for you. Don't sleep on it. We have 17 days left. I'm super excited. Honestly, it's been a long time. And a lot of you guys have been asking me, Mac, when is it coming? When is it coming? But we wanted to get the new platform done. So now that it's done, it's time for the Day Trading Masterclass. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the breakdown of this morning's day trade. Let's talk about it, and I'll catch you guys on the charts. All right, so this morning during New York session, all right, I actually sent out an outlook to everyone that's a part of the mentorship program and a part of the trading community. So for those of you who are, feel free to go and look at the outlook that was given this morning and see how you would have taken advantage if you have not taken advantage already. Now, essentially this morning, hopping on the charts, all right, we're currently looking for buy positions to take place right now, but of course we decided to sell into our buy position, which is something that you guys are going to learn exactly how to do. If you're looking for a buy position, I'm going to teach you how to sell into the buy, and if you're looking for a sell position, I'm going to teach you how to buy into the sell. All right, when it comes to day trading, what's most important to me is just being fluid within the markets, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do within the Day Trading Masterclass, as well as the recovery strategy. Now, the recovery strategy is something that I don't teach publicly. We've skimmed over it just slightly with the mentorship students, but the recovery strategy is going to be saved for the Day Trading Masterclass. What is the recovery strategy? The recovery strategy is what I use in order to overcome maybe a loss that I took within the market. So I rarely ever just take a loss and then just sit out of the market unless it's one of those days where there's nothing to do, right? But most of the time, if I do take a loss within the market, I recover, okay? And I recover around 5%, and then I'll take a 4% equity gain. All right, and that's normally what I do. Now, those of you who traded with me live within the Telegram community about 3 or 4 weeks ago, all right, I actually showed you guys that strategy live. I don't know if you guys were able to catch it, but I actually did, and we recovered live together on an AUD USD trade, I believe it was. But it's something that I don't really teach because it took me a long time to learn. And it's one of those things where it really does, assist you within the market when you're taking losses and things like that. So the recovery strategy is going to be given freely to everyone who's a part of the Day Trading Masterclass. Super excited about that. As well as everyone who is a part, you guys will be able to contact me for the next month afterwards, okay? Regarding your setups, regarding, what you're thinking in the market, all of those types of things, as well as a discount on one-on-one sessions to make sure that your psychology as well as the strategy that I'm going to teach you is applied properly within the market. So let's go ahead and get into it. So just looking within this area here during London session, we can see that we were creating bullish uptrend structure all throughout this region here. All right, we created this high here, then we had this low being swept with this nice move to the downside. Once this low was swept, all right, then we know that we had a possible break of expectational order flow, right? We're looking for price to go bullish, and then we can see that price takes out this higher low here, telling us that we have a little bit of bearish intent. All right, now overall within the trading community, all right, you guys know that I was looking for a buy to take place at this M15 POI here. All right, now why is this a POI? I'm not necessarily going to go over it. All right, but this here is our special point of interest that we like to look for. It's not just a regular supply or demand point of interest. This takes it to another level, which is why you guys can see price reacted to it and then push to the upside exactly as anticipated, right? So within this area here, my point of interest came from this M15 inside bar here, okay, that was responsible for taking out this low right here with this nice push to the downside. So seeing price come back into this region, all I did was set an alert, okay? I literally was breaking down the gold trade. So if you haven't watched the gold trade breakdown, that was 77% that my students were able to take advantage of from our Wednesday night webinar. Feel free to go check that one out, all right? And then come back to this, because during that, all right, the alert actually went off live on that video. And that is exactly when I paused the video, so you guys might see a cut, but that's when I went to go take this EURUSD trade. It's all about setting alerts. When your alert goes off, then you know exactly what to do. So if you're someone that is having difficulty understanding, when am I supposed to look at the charts? When am I supposed to take an entry? How do I take an entry? Where do I take profit? Right? Should I go pro trend? Should I go counter trend? Is it okay to do both? If you're someone that has to consistently ask yourself those questions, no worries. The Day Trading Masterclass is going to take out all of the guesswork, all right, as well as you guys are going to be provided with a checklist. So you're not going to be thinking on your own. You're going to be thinking like me on the charts in the market, right? And hopefully these day trades and breakdowns have shown you guys that it's very, very easy and straightforward to trade. You just have to have the right information, and the right information is exactly what I'm bringing to the table during the Day Trading Masterclass. So let's get into it. So this was my point of interest I was looking for price to trade into. And if we go down to the M1 time frame, you guys will be able to see this point of interest right here. So this was the M15 point of interest. And essentially, I just wanted to see price tap into that region, right? And give me some of my entry confluences, right? So all those entry confluences took place when we swept this liquidity here. Then price broke to the downside and we had a change of expectational order flow with this slight uptrend. And then we created this lower low here. Once that took place, okay, I went ahead and set my trade here. All right, risked around 4.5 pips. Let's move that up. There we go. All right, and our take profit was just simply based on this low right here. Or excuse me, not this low, but this demand region right here that we were looking for price to give us a bullish transition at. And as you guys can see, that bullish transition is taking place right now. We tapped into this region and now we are going bullish. Now, I'm not currently in this buy position just yet, but once all of my criteria do go through, I will be breaking down this buy position for you guys as well on another video. Day trading is actually very, very simple, guys. You just have to have the right information and the right mentor to show you how to apply that information properly. Because there's plenty of YouTube channels out there that just give you the information. There's plenty of websites out there that just give you the information. But if you don't know how to apply the information, when to apply the information, how long do you apply the information for, when is it invalidated, when is it not invalidated? If you don't know the answers to those questions, that is why day trading may be considered a challenge for you. But as you guys can see, this trade here, literally taken this morning, produces about 5.82%. If you add that on top of our gold trade, okay, that was also discussed, my students are up a very, very excellent amount. This was 58% of an FTMO account challenge passed. And if you are a funded trader, this trade right here produced you around $5,820, all by just using the information given, right? Let's see how long it took us to actually hit this target. As you guys can see, it took about 54 minutes, so less than an hour, produced you around 5.82% return on investment, which is absolutely phenomenal. Keep in mind, guys, hedge funds do an average of 7% a quarter, right? So if you want to day trade, if you want to learn how to take your trading to the next level, click the link in the description, sign up for my day trading masterclass, and I am going to teach you how to become a professional day trader. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.